Hey everyone, Tarah Walker here, your Orange County real estate expert and friend in the business. Did you know that anywhere from 10 to 30% of real estate transactions that go into escrow actually end up falling apart? It's crazy, right? And get this, sometimes buyers even ghost their agent and the seller after their offer is accepted. These are strange times in the market, my friends, and it helps to be informed. So why are buyers getting cold feet? Let's break it down. Number one, buyer's remorse. Even in a slower market, buyers can feel pressure to make a quick decision, but sometimes they jump the gun before they're truly ready. To avoid this, make sure your agent really vets the buyers. Are they pre-approved? Why are they moving? Motivated and qualified buyers are half of the recipe to a successful transaction. Next up, inspection issues. This can be a major deal breaker. A pre-listing inspection can save you a lot of hassle. Address any potential problems upfront and you will have a much smoother transaction. Finally, drawn out negotiations can scare buyers off. Price your home right from the start in order to avoid appraisal issues and those lengthy back and forths. Are you thinking of selling? Call or email me for a free consultation. We'll discuss your neighborhood, the market, staging, and more. Let's get you top dollar for your home.